In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stock screener in TradingView. We'll start on TradingView.com. From the home page, open the main menu under Product, choose Supercharts, then go to Screeners and select Stocks. That opens the dedicated stock screener where you can view and sort thousands of tickers with powerful filters. First, set the market to USA so you're focused on US listed stocks. You'll find the market selector at the top of the screener. Switching to USA immediately narrows the universe and makes results more relevant. Next, open the sector control. Even if you're not filtering by a specific industry yet, having the sector field visible is helpful for context as you scan. Sector information makes it easy to group ideas and see where strength or weakness is clustering. Now let's bring analyst rating into view. Click Analyst Rating to make sure the column is visible. Then use the option called Move to the Start. That pins the analyst rating column to the left edge of your table so it stays in sight while you scroll. Keeping key columns anchored saves you time and helps you compare candidates at a glance. Let's tune the time frame for price performance. Click on the Change Percent column, open Column Settings, use the drop-down to switch the period to 1 week, and click Apply. A weekly change view helps you spot fresh momentum without getting distracted by intraday noise or overly long lookbacks. It's a practical middle ground for swing ideas and weekly reviews. Do the same with volume. Click the volume header, open column settings, pick 1 week from the drop-down, and apply. Weekly volume shows accumulated trading interest over the last 5 sessions, which pairs nicely with weekly price change to validate whether a move is attracting real participation. With those columns set, click volume again and choose to sort descending. This pushes the most actively traded names to the top. High volume usually means better liquidity and tighter spreads, which makes execution smoother and reduces the chance of slippage as you refine your shortlist. At this point, you've got a clean, US-focused stock screener with sector context, analyst rating pinned to the front, weekly price change, weekly volume, and your results sorted by activity. You can further refine by applying sector filters, adjusting analyst rating thresholds, or dragging columns to reorder them. If you like the layout, consider saving your screener view so you can return to it quickly later. And remember, these tools are for research, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before making decisions. That's all you need to start finding ideas efficiently with the TradingView stock screener.